going on, guys? Another episode of Exploration Unlimited. Today we're heading to a little place called Juliet, Georgia. My buddy sent me it. He said there's a really cool place you go check out. So we're headed there, and we made it. Alright, so there's another one down there. I'm gonna start at this one first. It's just in the middle of an abandoned road. I mean, it's a dead end. There's not a single house down there. There's a tractor trailer. Oh my god. There's an old semi truck. Huh. We're gonna have to check that out. But at least the stairs are sturdy. Oh, almost. Oh, you can already smell this place from in here. Yeah, that's not creepy. Yeah, like I said, it smells horrible. There's a shoe. Interesting colors. I mean, this one's purple. The last room was like bright green. Wow, skylight. I bet that's new. Underneath the house. Another bedroom. A closet that I'm not going in. Very small, unless they boarded that up. I mean, this house is just absolutely gutted. Bird's nest. Not gonna risk even going into the kitchen. What was this? Ooh. Oh, the bathroom latrine. It just fell off the side of the house. That dog kennel. Oh, somebody's hat. I guess this was the family room. Let's go out the creepy door again. This is just amazing. It's an old Peterbilt cab over. I want to say, I don't know, 70s model-ish, late 70s. Missing, I mean, entire rear wheels. You know what? We're missing a lot. We're missing the entire engine, transmission, rear wheels, a lot of stuff. But, I mean, this thing is just cool. Number 127. Wonder what you've seen here today, but New York 13th series. And Michigan. I don't know what state that one is. Jones Motor Porter. Oof, yeah, it smells exactly how you would think it would smell. A lot of wasp nests in there. Hello? Got it over there. I don't think. Ew. Oh. So, oh, wow. Sleeper. Definitely have seen better days. Let's go look on that side. Whew, it does stink. 1990. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. Well, that's not good. I broke that. Alabama, property of Alabama revenue. Indiana. I don't know what that one. 1989, 1990. North Carolina. So this truck's been everywhere. Oop. Whoa, something moved around. What the? It was a mouse. That mouse just scared me more than. Whew. See that tree. Oh, okay. This is cool. See if I can get up in there. Where's the foot? Oh wow, it's covered in ants. Absolutely covered in ants. Peterbilt. Well, that's pretty neat. I want to get out of here before the ants eat me alive and the wasps. All right, let's go check the last house. Beautiful day. Beautiful. Oh, I don't like this Okay. We're gonna get out of here because something just does not feel right. I mean, this. All right, so that one wasn't as exciting. I really didn't feel like climbing up into it even more. All right, let's, there's a whole bunch of cool abandoned places out here. See if we can't find more.